All right, so this is the unboxing for the Corsair Gaming Void RGB wireless headset. I'm gonna try to do this quickly just so you can see what's in the box, but not linger on this too much. Okay, so that's what you find in here. I got the white edition. I find that yellow color that they have to be absolutely hideous. And oh man, that's a downer for me right now. So I won't take that completely out because I really don't want to mess with that right now on camera. But that's the headset. I actually kind of like that. They have a little clip there just kind of holding that in place during transit. Keep that safe. We've got manual, safety sheet, all that stuff it looks like. Got a cord in here. It looks like it is micro USB. A to the mini or the micro USB side, and the warranty guide. All right, that's it.